Ready to ditch those expensive contracts and jump into the world of Apple with the Prepaid Carrier? First things first, compatibility is key, so not every iPhone plays nice with every prepaid carrier generally. Unlocked iPhones, from the iPhone 6 South onward, work best. You can purchase a directly unlocked iPhone from Apple, or a previously locked iPhone and contact the carrier to unlock it. Just make sure to check with your chosen prepaid carrier to confirm compatibility before you buy. Now, for the phone itself, head over to Apple's website or visit an Apple store if you want an unlocked phone to ensure it is ready for prepaid use. Choose your iPhone model, color, and storage. Financing may be available directly from Apple, even if you intend to use a prepaid service. Once you have your iPhone, it's time to choose your prepaid plan and activate your service. Most prepaid carriers will send you a SIM card with your plan, but some now offer eSIM activation for even easier setup. Follow the instructions from your chosen carrier to activate your service. This usually involves visiting their website or calling a customer service line. Choosing the right plan is vital. Consider your data usage, talk time needs, and whether you need international calling or hotspot capabilities. Don't overpay for data you won't use. And that's it. You're now rocking an iPhone on a prepaid plan, enjoying the freedom and flexibility without breaking the bank. Enjoy your new iPhone.